is back in session, and Fresno State Physics Outreach is putting together the lesson plan today. Fresno State's Physics Outreach is a traveling group of future scientists and future teachers learning how to teach science. And you're teaching some science here for us today.
Absolutely.
So we have some new, future teachers and scientists.
And I'm getting out of the way. You talk
Okay,
about Larry.
our students are going to take it away. You take it away. You teach me science.
So something I want to teach you. Do you think that these metals can expand and contract? What do you think?
Yes, I do.
You do? Okay.
I do think that.
He's very smart. I'll let you know that.
Yeah, okay.
But
I'm going to put this
to
into the liquid nitrogen so that it can cool down.
Okay.
And I want you to hold this for me and roast it like a marshmallow as I'm heating it up.
Woo!
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So is that going to get bigger or smaller?
This is going to get bigger.
All right, I want you to start turning it around.
Oh, like a marshmallow.
Exactly like a marshmallow.
Cool. Now, Sarah, you can get ready to get that out of there and help take the one out of there.
Okay, so this is going to get bigger. The one in the liquid nitrogen is going to get smaller.
It's going to get smaller.
The one in liquid nitrogen is going to contract, and this one's going to expand, just to be like very technical.
All right, now grab that out of there.
So now, if I were to grab my ball that I put in here, what do you think is going to happen now?
It's going to go right through.
You think so? You are correct.
It's so, okay, why does that happen?
It happens because the ball, since it was in liquid nitrogen, the atoms in it contracted while the ring that was heated up, it expands. So it allows us for it to go through.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? We talked about this when I was learning how to scuba dive. When you go down in water, the pressure makes the atoms smaller.
They actually squish the atoms.
Yes.
Don't make them smaller, squish the atoms.
Squish them.
Exactly. I'll take that hot
You're the scientist. Okay.
Exactly. Another thing I wanted to show you. So,
Okay.
you know, we just noticed that the metals expand and contract.
Yes.
Do you think the same thing happens to the racquetball that's made out of rubber?
I don't think so.
What about
You don't
a
think
tennis
so?
ball? Would a tennis,
Tennis ball?
Would a tennis ball, if you put a tennis ball in there, would that come out smaller? Could it
What do you,
No,
what do
they
you
will
think,
come out
Emily?
the same
It's not
size.
the same
You do think
size,
about the same
just be
size?
frozen?
Well, actually,
No.
That's
You're
right.
lying.
yes, I am lying. This is the fake one.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's not telling the truth.
Yeah.
Now,
All
Larry,
right.
before you drop that, also show her here how different metals expand and contract differently.
Okay, what's this?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So,
Now, I'm gonna
on
let
my
Emily do
bimetal
that.
strip.
Let's let Emily do that.
Emily?
Hold it
All
in
right.
hand, Emily.
I
What
want
am I
you.
doing?
All right, now
You're
you
gonna
take the
heat it
torch.
up.
You take the torch.
I take the
Emily.
torch. You're going to give me fire?
Like
Okay.
that. You push that button.
Okay.
Exactly.
And do what?
You start heating that metal. There you go. What's it doing?
Oh, my
Look at
goodness.
that. Look at that.
Oh, look how strong I am.
Look at
I'm
that. Look at that.
bending
All right,
metal.
now you turn it off.
Okay.
Now tell them what happened there, Larry.
What happened? So what happened was, this is a bimetal strip. There's two sides, one with steel, one with brass. Since the brass expands more than the steel does, it bends over the steel.
What if I do it the other way?
You do it the other way?
Can I do it
Let's
this
test
way?
it out.
You watch it.
Nothing
Can you feel
happens.
heat?
Oh, the same thing.
What are you going to do? Do you actually reverse it?
Oh, reverse it. Oh, okay. I want to straighten. I want
put
to
it up on
straighten.
here. Put it up here.
I want to
Set it up
straighten
like
out
it.
my metal here.
You see what's going to happen when you put it in there?
All right, go
Now
ahead.
it actually could go the other way, couldn't it? Because the brass will contract more than the other. Keep
Keep it in there so you can keep it
there.
in.
Oh, yeah,
in there,
keep it
though.
in.
You see there? And so
Can
the
you hear it
brass
boiling?
contract. So
I
metals
can. It's
expand and
boiling in
contract.
there.
They do.
Oh, look at that.
See how it's bending out the other way?
I got a little S-curve going on.
Exactly.
Okay, that is
Expansion
and contraction
of metals.
Of metals. What's our
Different
next
metals.
lesson?
Our next one is this one
Okay.
right here. And Sarah's going to show you. You guys go and get that book out
Okay,
of the way.
Sarah's also a new
Yep,
student in your
absolutely.
class.
She's actually my student assistant now.
Okay.
Now look how this thing reacts. See, when I pull it down and it bounces this way, look how it starts to spin and it likes that frequency.
Yes.
It likes that frequency. Well, things that you drive at their natural frequency, they like it.
Okay.
So Sarah, you demonstrate. Sarah, back over here a little bit. Emily. She's going to show
what's
you.
this
She's going to
demonstrating?
show you. She's going to grab this handle and she's going to take this vibrate at different speeds. So back over here a little bit more, Emily.
Okay.
Watch you're doing here
So we're
because you're
going
going
to
to
see
try
the
it too.
Oh, I see.
She's going to jiggle it at just the right
Ready?
speed. And you see how that one
Yeah,
likes
that
it.
one?
Oh,
Okay.
It's like a back rub. Loves that, all right? Now she's going to change the frequency and the middle one. You see that?
Oh, my
All right, now let's let
goodness.
Emily do it. Let Emily
All
do it,
right,
Sarah.
your turn, your
All right,
turn.
now you try,
so,
try the
so
big
I'll
one.
go
Just wait, don't
one
do it.
frequency.
Okay.
It's like that
All
doesn't
right,
work.
now, all right.
Okay.
They start from the beginning.
Okay.
All right, now just do it slowly and get the big one going.
Oh.
Follow
Shoot
the
it right
speed
at
a
it.
little bit.
Oh, follow the speed of that one.
Yeah, just the speed. You
Okay.
don't have to go as far. You don't have to go as far for the,
Oh.
like that. You see that? All right, now stop that. Now go a little faster for this one.
Okay.
There you go. You see how it's working? All right,
my
now,
God,
can you
that-
imagine how fast you got to go for that one? Yeah, you're starting to get it.
See, I can't
You're
do
starting
that
to get
one.
it.
Okay, what's this demonstrating
This
to me?
is demonstrating resonance. See, this is like an upside down pendulum. You know how
okay.
pendulums of different lengths swing
yeah.
at different frequencies? So what happens when you jiggle it at the frequency it likes? See, you guys are doing big amplitudes.
Okay.
Look at this. I just have
Okay, we have a minute 30 left. What are our other lessons?
Exactly. Now we got to get on the hoverboard.
Okay.
Come on out here. All right. So what we want you to do, let's turn it around this way so you face the audience. Okay, Emily, you kneel down on there.
Kneel down on
You've got to kneel down, get your knees dirty.
Oh,
man.
good thing I wore pants
Just get
today.
right,
Okay.
exactly. You kneel down there.
Okay.
All right, you ready? We're going to light you up.
Oh, my Am I floating? Wow.
Scoot a little more
Oh my
over
God,
here.
I really was
There you
in
go.
the air.
All right, here you go.
Okay.
You see that? You are really floating on a cushion of air.
That was an e-ticket. Okay, what did that one demonstrate?
That demonstrates the force of air. We forced air, you were able to float on it. See, we always talk about air pressure. You know always talk about air pressure.
I am surprised that got me off the air.
No.
All right, this is sort of what you do.
Get over here, guys.
This is exactly what you do
Exactly.
when you go out and you visit
Exactly.
local elementary schools, local middle schools, and you teach them science. You're teaching these guys how to teach science and how to become better teachers and educators. So we'll always have you guys on. We'll see you again. We have all the information. If you want them to come out to your school, we have all the information online. Thanks, guys. Coming up here in Central Valley today, peace, love, and man's best friend. It's all coming to Merced for the 3rd annual Woofstock. When and where you can catch the vendor fair and food truck festival with your pets next.